This is another leg leveler favorite of mine. Again, you're looking at plastic here, and black in case you can't tell. High impact, so it's a very strong one. I know these are good because I've been around this industry for a while, and thousands upon thousands of these have been used. Here's what I like about this leg leveler. It has a lot of adjustability in the foot, as you can see here. Lots of movement. It's very strong. This is the same thing here, exactly. These the leg leveler is purchased here like this, as you see it here, and then you can buy a mounting block. So there are two mounting blocks available. This one is a huge mounting block, and then the leg just slips onto that mounting block. The mounting block goes under your cabinet, and this piece here, if you can see this, is a lip that extends to the next cabinet, so that you're supporting two cabinets with one mounting plate. Well, that's what it's designed for. I don't know that anybody's using it that way, but this gives you a very big mounting block to support your leg leveler. And it's a screw-on, so you screw this to the bottom of your cabinet and then put the leg leveler into that mounting block to give you a really good support to the base of your cabinet. This creates the ability for a cabinet builder to put this on the bottom of his cabinet, and then when he's in the shop he can slide it around on the floor and use it as a skid for his cabinet, so it doesn't wreck the cabinet when he's moving it around. So this leg and this block make a really good combination. Here's another thing that you might be interested in as far as leg leveler is concerned. Let's just say you think this isn't a big enough base here on this leveler. Evidently, some people think it isn't, because we are also selling a lot of these additional feet that just snap right on like that. Did you catch it? Well, I wish I wouldn't have done that because I can't get it back off. That really gives you a lot of base, and it makes it a lot easier to level when you've got this piece on here. I suppose that's why so many of these snap-on pieces are sold. As I said, I don't know if I'm going to get that off of there. Pretty sure I'm pretty sure I won't get it off. That's a nice feature. Now here's another mounting block. It's a screw-on. Still, it's a screw-on are my favorite. And but it's a little smaller. It still gives you the same features. So this leveler, both of these are the same leveler. It's a different mounting block in each case. We have a lot of leg levelers. They're all very good quality, and so don't be afraid that you're going to wish you hadn't bought them. They're good. Only thing I don't like about leg levelers is I can't think of nothing funny to say about them. What I'd suggest you do, now I did a couple other videos, you've seen some of these other ones in the video, yeah, and I forgot what I was going to say, but they are good. You should get you some of these.